Come on, Joe. Rebound.
Rebound!
There, go get it. Nice. Push, but. Run, Joe, run.
Dumadami yung ano, ang mga fans. Ito yung tatlo yung mga fans.
Can I run over there?
Ano mga katawan niya, oh?
First ball. Again. John Jelic, straight away, score! First ball is on the roll. After mid. 16-6. Chero, short rebound, John Green. Maganda, short. Oh, maganda. It's a 4-point move by Espa. Again, for the second chance. Joel, dito ka po. Joel. Dito ka, coach ka dito. Marvin.
There you go! Budo kayo doon.
Go! I'm not sure. This is my first time here. I know it's more about the other gym.
That's what I have. I have the 4
There you go.
You want to get 4?
Go!
Go! 18-12. Rebound by Jerry. 6-point lead. Put it down. Patrick. No. Rebound by Chris. But here we go. Shot is good. Assist from Mafata. John Denver with a shot. 12. 8-point Bristol lead.
Would that be real? It's gonna hit my face. And it was
Zero for 3. No. Rebound. Good for basketball.
It's got to go this side, look.
Substitution.
Maybe
Sing!
Push! Wow!
Inisip mo na, 3 points.
Yo!
2 points na. Kapag na yung paa niya sa linya. 22-18, 22-14,
Wait.
Yo, 3 points to blue.
Marvel, shot is short, rebound.
Sila, easy. Lex, press on Lex. Alex.
Backward, shot, pretty good.
Yo!
22-16, it's a 6-point game.
Go, go! Grabe, idol!
Game, this one, very good. Very good. Shot by Joe, missed. Rebound by John Peace. Here comes Edward Soto. Has the ball. Edward Soto. This the way. That's the marker. Bounce back from the back. Oh, he got blocked. He got blocked by Joe. It was a nice pass, though.
Yo, drive it.
24-16. 5 minutes.
Oh.
1 minute, everybody. He's giving it back. Done.
Idol!
Shot is no good.
Oy!
Tingin lang kayo.
Foul number. Foul on you.
Tingin na sila eh.
Foul on number.
Kantam yata ng ano.
Foul number 50. That's on Jerry.
Ano pinaglagay ng ano yan?
Bonus shot for Jason Wade. Shot, no good. Rebound by Tex. Here comes Patrick. It's a 10-point dismissal. Patrick. Michael.
Ay! Malas nyo! Grabe!
Marvin Bates.
Album pa.
Pass back to Tim. Pass to Marvin. Marvin Here comes Jerry. Jerry, finesse the back. Looking for a three. No. Rebound, Jerry. Follow up with 26-18 is an 8-point game. Timeout, Crispa. Last week was 4 overtime. 4 overtime. Utex win against the defending champions.
There you go!
26-20. Comes Chris. Here comes Nero. Turnover. Jerry Sabina is going to drive in and take it up.
There you go!
And down to 4. Here comes San Miguel.
Wop! Oh, kuya! Nantahan!
Tanda na yun. Tinutulak.
Last 2 minutes in the first half.
Huli.
Patoy!
Arnell foul, first personal, 2 free throws for Jason. Good job, good.
Leave it alone, Green. Yeah.
Uy! Oh! Yun! Nice!
27-24. Leaders step down to 3. Second half of the game.
Pwede kayo mag-foul. Basta na.
Ebroselo.
Bato! Up! Uy! Kuya Jen! Right ahead!
Foul on John Biddick, the captain. Please. 50 seconds. Score!
Let's kayo! Uy!
Go, 7 seconds.
7! 9! 10! Wow!
29-26. It's a tie game.
It's a foul!
It's a tie game with a 3-point conversion by Jerry. No, here comes Abigail.
Wow!
That was like an 8-point swing by San Miguel.
Nice legs.
Yan!
Pantisan na yan! Swing by San Miguel.
Pantantos! Pandesal!
With a 5 points. With next 3-quarter and Jerry. There's a turnover. John Bennett shot is good. He stops the lead.
Idol! Kuya Jan, pagod na!
Patay ka dyan.
Ay! Uy! 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 Uy!
Saika. Nice one.
Let's!
Ulit.
From number 9 on 9 red. That's on John. That's on number 9.
Rebound!
Diretso na yan.
Uy!
Ba't siya natungkod ng last?
Oo, sa ganun.
Apat. Ayan, apat.
Go.
Sayang, Chok! Chok!
Chok, use the board next time.
Chok, use the board. Don't get bored, Chok. Uy, Pat! Pat! Kuya, kaya mo yan, kuya! Kuya, ginalingan mo, ha? Sumakit na yung kamay ni Chok. Hindi. Yan, Lex. Kaya mo yan, Lex. Yun! Idol!
Look mo the ball, Chok.
Automatic serve. Automatic serve.
Chok.
Automatic serve.
Look mo the ball, Chok.
Automatic serve. Four. Automatic serve. Automatic serve. That's it. Pasok na.
Ano na si Lala?
Bye.
Puro text eh?
40-37 is a 3-point Vista lead. Jerry, no good. Rebound, shot is good. 42-37, it's a 5-point San Miguel lead. Crispa had the lead earlier. Abanta, cross-court pass. Jerry sees it and wins the lead. 7-point game.
Chok, side.
Side, Chok, side! Uy!
Marvin shot, no good.
Go, kuya! Go, kuya!
Nice.
Justin, number 17.
Black mo.
Black foul number.
Kasi hindi mo kasama ng ball.
Ha? Dapat wala dito.
Dapat black.
Eh, magpo-45 na. Ayun na. Dito. Oh, 45. Wala sa field rin. Saka ang rules mo, once i-release, wala na. Diba? NBA.
NBA ka
Second
na.
one is no good.
Uy, uy!
It's Crispa basketball 8-point game. Here we go. Marvin. Swing to Edward Solo. Back to Marvin. Shot is no good.
Nice,
Rebound,
Dex.
Edward Solo. Shot, it's good. Just start fighting. 45-39. It's a 6-point lead. Next up, Lubex. Ginebra.
Man, arms.
Side!
Nice.
Yun!
27-39. Timeout.
Ang lakas ng kiliti mo. Side out, Jockey.
Set. Gitna, Chok. Middle.
Side out.
Lex. Tira, Lex.
There you go, Lex. Oh. Reset. Kuha yan. Tira, Lex.
Nice.
Yun! Lexon Pandesal! Sino ang coffee on the side? Yan! Ay! Go get it! Bilis lang yan.
Pupapata, underneath, shot is good!
Hey!
Substitution, Bowden is out.
Pause him up, Joe. Pause him up.
Side.
Live.
Supa. Ay, patay ka dyan. Ayun na. Nice play now.
Chok, sure ball!
Duran.
Hindi na nakita ko yun, Dre.
Joe. Milan.
Naku, umabol.
Pull up table, Mabaka.
Rebound! Sure ball, guys, sure ball. Oh, malas. What happened? Hindi naman kasi. Woo! Okay.
Alma, side.
Oh, grabe.
Fifty to 46, that's the 4-point game. He has been cut down. Edward Samuel shot. No, it was short. It was a pump, but it was short. 7.5.
Asa, Choki.
Sapule.
Oh, grabe. Oh my God.
Ken has the ball. Ken got his ball in. Ken.
Slow down.
Lost the ball.
Sure ball, guys. Slow down.
Side.
Patrick.
There you go.
50 to 26, it's a 6-point game. 7 minutes. Jumper by Mabarta.
Pagod na. There you go. Loka. Walang ganun sa Earth.
Oo, kahit nga eh. Ano ko na sabi yung ginawa na. Ilang beses ko lang kaya.
Galing niya Amor Solo ah. Oh! 3 points na lang oh.
The lead got checked to 3. Etrosolo with a face over Jerry.
Let's go guys.
Relax.
Uy!
Joko! Go get the ball!
Angat doon! Yan na!
Sayang. Uy!
Wala.
Rebound! Hey!
Time out. Pagod na.
Pahinga muna.
Kasi malas na. Ano na.
Time out.
Mga time out ni...
Gana ka lang uy!
Zero in the side. Shot.
Oh yes! Good foul!
Foul number 9. John Lewis.
Kalma, Choke!
Pagod na eh. Akin yata yung suot. Ayan ba sa'yo? Kapos. Hindi na nga makatakbo eh.
Masakit pagpagod. Ayun, pasok.
And it's good.
Shot! Rebound!
Super base.
Shot! Go under! Defense!
Foul number 35. That's all Almeda. Second personal, second team foul. 2.
Ginulat! Mami, ginulat mo! Ginulat mo, Mami!
Shot! Go under! Balik kay Patrick. Yan! Patay!
Rebound!
Michael. Substitution. That's the head for Arnell. Bonus shot for Chris.
Jump, go under. Jump screen, jump screen.
Foul number 6.
Jump, watch her.
6.60 foul.
Jump, love you.
Time out. Hold on. My turn.
Give it back. Patrick.
Here we go. 2-point lead.
Tira, Alex.
Here we go. 24-second shot clock. 24-second shot clock. 2-point lead for Krista. Foul on Chris. Chris, thank you for coming tonight. Foul out. Here we go, 24-second shot clock, Krista, 2-point lead.
Tira, Pat.
Patrick has the ball. We are less than a minute. Next up, Utah, James Williams.
Pat.
With a jumper.
Jump.
Samuel has 3 free fouls. Deflected. Jandu
Go, defense.
Defense, guys! Hey, defense! Good deep!
Jump, side.
This is a shot clock. 16, 15, 14, 13. 10 seconds.
Go!
Here we go again. And that's it. Samuel.
Melis!
First round.
Malas naman. Kaya ano?
Ken has the ball. Justin, help! We are now in the 1 minute mark. 10 seconds, 13, 12, 11, 10. And the solo shot, good, who's down? Jerry has the ball. Jerry takes shot. Jerry.
Yan! Good job, kuya!
Justin has the ball. Justin.
There you go! Hold it!
Foul number 11. That's number solo.
1-1. Sure ball, Lex, okay? Go!
First one is Mother.
Hold.
We got a foul. Oh, crucial rebound by Terry. Foul on number.
One-on-one ulit.
Foul on number. Good. Foul on number.
5.
Yo!
Eh, no.
Ready, well, again. Ready, well.
Doon tayo natalo eh. 4 points. Yeah! Jerry boy. Jerry boy.
Is that
14 foul.
Hey, hey.
Just.
Eh, baka hindi matawagan eh.
Chok, no foul, ha?
Chan, yan kabisa.
1-on-1 yan.
1-on-1.
Yun! Tapa kuya! Para sa pandesol. Monay. Monay naman.
First one is...
Yon, Rick! Hoy! Hey! Hey!
And who calls it? They call it. There it is. Second down. Survive the overtime.
Sinawag yan. 4 points. Oh, 5.